Since 1966, Western New York homeowners and businesses have trusted Siegel Landscape and Drainage to solve water in their basement and excess water and flooding problems in their yards.
I would definitely refer Siegel to a friend. After seeing what they've done and after experiencing it, I'd feel comfortable telling a friend that, Siegel is worth pursuing.
Over 14,000 satisfied customers later, Siegel Landscaping and Drainage are the largest and most often referred drainage company in all of Western New York. Most jobs are completed in just one day with a final cleanup so meticulous you'll hardly know the experienced Siegel crew was ever there. Plus, they have a 20-year guarantee that's transferable if you ever sell your property.
Right from the very beginning, our goal was to be the best at what we're doing, and so that they were pleased. We're people pleasers. We have always been. And so that they're totally satisfied with that project, and that we guarantee it, maintain our guarantee, meaning that we will stand behind it. Somebody calls, we're right there, and it's done, it's complete. And it doesn't even look like we've ever been in the backyard, minus the water.
The experienced team of Siegel professionals will visit your home or business and assess your water problem. Then prepare a written quotation in advance of any work. On the day of the job, the Siegel experts will use advanced laser technology to measure and set the appropriate pitch for your drainage system that will allow the continuous gravity flow of excess water away from your yard. Then they will mechanically cut, remove, and roll up your top layer of sod for replacement after the job is completed. Next, they will lay down plywood on either side of the trench area to be dug to protect your lawn from any damage. Now the Siegel crew is ready to begin installing your drainage system. After using the right equipment to excavate your project, including trenchers small enough to fit through gates, the Siegel crew begins to install the pipe. In the perforated areas, 90% of the excavated material is hauled away and replaced with clean stone and perforated pipe to allow for quick removal of both surface and subsurface water. When solid pipe is necessary for gutter downspouts and sump pump discharge line connections, Siegel uses SDR35 industrial strength PVC pipes that are glued together, making them impervious to tree roots, so your system will last a lifetime. In the solid areas, after the trench is backfilled, the soil is mechanically compressed so there is no settling or hump in the lawn. When taking lines to the street, the Siegel crew can tunnel under your concrete sidewalk to avoid costly and unsightly concrete replacement. A bubbler system is installed at the curb's edge to allow your water to transfer into your town storm system. In addition, Siegel Landscape and Drainage is licensed in your municipality and will obtain all necessary permits and inspections for your project. Now, the Siegel crew will replace and tamp your original rolled-up sod and begin their meticulous cleanup process. Siegel Landscape and Drainage also repair leaky basements and can install battery-powered backup systems for sump pumps.
I couldn't use my yard this summer. I couldn't mow. My kids had to play over in this area.
The water problem was ridiculous. The straw that broke the camel's back was when my wife and I actually laid a garbage can down and filled it up with water about 10 times and took it to the curb to empty it. As you can see at this point, there's no more water. The kids can play in the backyard and we're extremely happy. The backyard's just an enjoyment. We have 3 kids and we spend a great majority of the summer out in the backyard. At this point, we can actually utilize the whole backyard instead of just a little portion that we utilized before. So it's much more enjoyable and it's become more of a family backyard as opposed to just a little area where the kids had to play before. Not only did they do a good job cleaning up, the fact that they got it done in one day and did a good job cleaning up was impressive. There is no mud or residue left on my lawn and everything it's clean.
For decades, Western New York homeowners and businesses have grown to know and trust the quality, honesty, and value of Siegel Landscaping and Drainage.
Siegel Landscape and Drainage, can I help you?
Over 100 local contractors recommend Siegel for their residential and commercial customers. And chances are that many of your friends and neighbors have already experienced the satisfaction of working with Siegel Landscape and Drainage.
I absolutely didn't think they were going to finish in one day.
We are members of the Better Business Bureau, the Home Improvement Council, and the National Association of Waterproofing Contractors. If you have water problems, call the specialist. Siegel Landscape and Drainage.